everybody. Today I take your math class. First of all, I tell you that you have got your first term syllabus and I hope you start to prepare yourself for the first term syllabus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 we have already done and now I am continuing chapter 4. So 1, 2, 3 you practice at home. Then after completing 4 you have to practice at home 4. So today in the previous class I completed 4A, exercise 4A. Today I take exercise 4B. Okay. Write in columns 4B. Write in columns and add the given number. That is addition. 65,772 plus 47,994. You arrange this in a line, in a column. 65,772, 47,994 plus. So 4 to 6, 9, 7, 16, carrying 1, 9, 1, 10, 7, 17, carrying 1, 7, 1, 8, 5, 13, carrying 1, 4, 1, 5, 6, 11. Okay, this is answer. B, 80, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 89 lakh, 307 plus 90 lakh, 65,070. So, you arrange this in column 89 lakh, 307, 90 lakh, 65,000, 070, 70, 7, 7, 3, 5, 6, 9, 8, 9, 17. Okay, that is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore. 1 crore, 79,000, 79 lakh, 65,377. Okay, that is 1 crore, 79 lakh, 65,377. Chapter D, A, B, D, 77 lakh, 8,334. That next 6 lakh 92,456 plus 28 lakh 65,008. So arrange in columns 77 lakh 8,334, 6 lakh 92,456, 28 lakh 65,008, 8, 6, 14, 4, 18, 1, 5, 1, 6, 3, 9, 4, 3, 7, 5, 2, 7, 8, 7, 15, carrying 1, 6, 1, 7, 9, 16, carrying 1, 8, 1, 9, 9, 6, 15, 15, 7, 22, carrying 2, 2, 2, 4, 7, 4, 11. 2. Question number 2. Fill the given blanks using the properties of addition. That is, fill in the blanks. 19 lakh 94,450 plus 3 lakh 7,689 equal to blank. Here blanks and 19 lakh 94,450. That is 2 number. This number here. So this number here. 3 lakh 7,680. Okay. 18 lakh 47,336 plus blank. 18 lakh 47,306. Same number. So plus 0. Okay. Blank means 0. So 11 lakh 11 crore 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 11 million, 300,000, 999 plus 1. That is 1, 10, 100,000, 1. So 1, 9, 1, 10, 9, 1, 10, 9, 1, 10, 0, 1, carrying 1, 3, 0, 3, 11. That is answer. Blank. In the blank place you put this number. Addition. Plus 0, blank plus 0, 18,000, 18 crore 95 lakh 72,025. So plus 0. So say similar number 18 crore 95 lakh 72,025. First bracket 84 lakh 32,583 plus 22 lakh 68,592 plus 90 lakh 81,225. So 84 lakh 32,583 plus first bracket, this is blank, 90,000 90 lakh 81,225. So this is blank. Which number is missing here? 22,000. 22 lakh 68,592. Okay. F 1 tens and thousands and lakh 10 lakh 37 lakh 46,442 plus 20,000. So this is blank. Add, you add this 442,000 442 26 426, that is 37 lakh 66,442. 2 1 tens 100,000 10,000 100,000 million 10 million 100 million 209 million 718,660 plus 1 tens 100,000 10,000 100,000 million. So add 666,000,718, that is 6066, that is 9 9 1 9 1 10 1 10 2, that is 1 tens 100,000 10,000 100,000 million 10 million 100 million 210 million 718,660. Okay, this is the chapter 4a worksheet, that is homework. Worksheet 1. Write in columns and add the given numbers. 1,72,338 plus 3,65,490. C. E. 2 crore 34 lakh 4,673 plus 86 lakh 65,780 equal to F. 45 lakh 90,206 plus 1 lakh 62,318 plus 10 lakh 170. Okay. Find the missing digits in the following sums. A. 1 tens 100,000 10,000. So 7 5 8 blank space 4 blank space 3 blank space 1 blank space, that is 8 blank space box 8 6 7. B. 1 tens 100,000 10,000 4 7 9 2 7 blank box 1 blank box 3 7 1 0 7 0. C. 1 tens 100,000 10,000 8 3 4 2 blank box 4 blank box 2, that is 9 4 0 1 3. Okay, this is your homework. You do homework. Chapter 4b I have completed. I give some sums at your home as a homework, and some sums I do in the class. Okay, now I start exercise 4c. Exercise 4c. Solve the given word problems. Harry's dream is to live in his own house. He buys a plot of land rupees 13 crore 88 lakh 52,000 and spends 1 crore this is wrong. 189,000 according to your book, these numbers to build a house. What is the total amount of money spent by Harry to fulfill his dream? That is statement. That is 189,000 that means 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 18 lakh 90,000. Okay, this is 18 lakh 90,000. Statement. Harry, if you do word problems, you have to write statements. Harry buys a plot of land for rupees 13 crore 88 lakh 52,000 and spends for a house rupees 18 lakh 90,000. So total 0,002,95,14, carrying 1 819 817 1 112 8 to 10 0 13144, that is 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 10 14 crore 7 lakh 42,000 that is answer. The total amount of money spent by Harry is rupees 14 crore 7 lakh 42,000. Okay, I repeat it again. Hari's dream is to live in his own house. He buys a plot of land for rupees 13 crore 88 lakh 52,000 and spends rupees 189,000 according to your book this number to build a house. What is the total amount of money spent by Hari to fulfill his dream? That is 189,000. This is wrong. 00 is not correct. 1 times 100, that is 1 times 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 18 lakh 90,000. He already buys a plot of land for rupees 13 crore 88 lakh 52,000 and spends a house for rupees 18 lakh 90,000. That is, if you add this, this is this number. You have got 14 crore 7 lakh 42,000. The total amount of money spent by Hari is rupees 14 crore 7 lakh 42,000. Next, number 2. According to a census, there were 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785 females in a country. The number of males is 6 lakh 44,991 more. What is the total population of the country? That is, male members is more than the 6 lakh 44,901 more than these females. So, males number. What is the total population of the country? First of all, males, females, we have to do. Females, 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785. Males, 6 crore 44 lakhs. 6 lakh 44,991 more. That is, males 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785 plus 6 lakh 44,991. That is, if you add this, 2 crore 92 lakh 90,776. That is male plus females. Males 6 males and females. Males 2 plus 90 1 is 100,000 lakh 10 lakh crore. 2 crore 92,000 2 crore 92 lakh 90,776. Males. Females means 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785. Total 5 crore 79 lakhs 36,561. Okay, repeat it again. According to a census, there were 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785 females in a country. The number of males is 6 lakh 44,991 more. What is the total population of the country? That means females 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785. Males 6 lakh 44,991 more than this. That is, males 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785 plus 6 lakh 44,991. That means 2 crore 92 lakhs 90,770. Males plus females 2 crore 92 lakhs 90,776 plus 2 crore 86 lakh 45,785. That is 5 crore 79 lakhs 36,561. Okay. The total population of the country is 5 crore 79 lakhs 36,561. Number 3. 12 lakh 66,400 people came to visit the book fair in the first week, and 15 lakh 22,600 people came in the second week. How many total number of people visited the fair in the 2 weeks? Statement. In the first week, people came to the fair 12 lakh 66,400. In the second week, people came to visit the fair 15 lakh 22,600. Total number of the population 27 lakh 89,000. In the 2 weeks, the total number of people came to visit the fair is 27 lakh 89,000. Answer. That is 4. Radhika and her brother Rishabh are playing video games. Radhika scored 7 million 225,600 points and Rishabh scored 59,99,000 points. What is the combined score of Radhika and Rishabh? First of all, we have to change the international number into Indian number. That is 1 tens 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. 7,225,600. That is 1 tens 100,000 and 1 tens 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. If we change it into Indian number, that is 72,25,600. So statement: Radhika scored 72 lakh 25,600 points. Rishabh scored 59 lakh 99,000 points. That is total score 600, 9514, 9110 to 12, 1, 9110 to 12, 51, 6, 7, 13. That is 1 tens 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That is the combined score of Radhika and Rishabh is 1 crore 32 lakhs 24,600. Okay, I repeat it again. Radhika and her brother Rishabh are playing video games. Radhika scored 7,225,600 points and Radhika scored 59 lakh 99,000 points. What is the combined score of Radhika and Rishabh? 7,225,600. If we change it into Indian number, that is 72,25,600. So statement: Radhika scored 72,25,600 points. Rishabh scored 59 lakh 99,000. Total score 1 crore 32 lakh 24,600. That is the combined score of Radhika and Rishabh is 1 crore 32 lakh 24,600. So I complete exercise 4C. So there are 4 problems and I solved these maths in class. So now I hold this page 1 to 3 seconds.